This video is going to show how to define a component association table for Allegro X AI. When performing component placement with Allegro X AI, the schematic information and netlist are leveraged to generate the optimal placement, keeping connections short. However, some situations can require additional user input, such as when multiple capacitors of varying frequency ranges are assigned to a device pin. In this situation, a component association file can be incorporated into Allegro X AI to provide the AI engine with user-driven guidance. The component associations can be created in a spreadsheet, mapping the varying decoupling capacitors to the correct IC pin to keep the power delivery network stable. Before defining the component association file, let's run placement without it. Select Run XAI to start placement. When placement finishes, select the Download button in the XAI panel to view the results. Zoom in to view capacitor placement around U4. While the capacitors are reasonably close to pins on the same power net, the placement is not ideal. Some of the power pins are connected to power for pull-up and do not need smoothing capacitors. To return to the original board, select File, Open from the menu and select the original board file. If prompted to save changes to the new board, click No. To improve the decoupling capacitor placement, a component association file can be created and included in the Allegro X AI setup. To do this, we need to create a CSV table. Open a spreadsheet editor such as Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc. First, we'll add information for each association. Enter net, decap, device, and pin as the headings in the first row. Enter the net, decoupling capacitor, main device, and pin for each association in that order and the rest of the table. When finished, save the file on the working directory. Make sure to set the field delimiter to the comma. Close the spreadsheet editor. Now let's assign the file for Allegro X AI to leverage during component placement. Back in OrCADX, select Component Associations in the X AI Workspace. Select Choose File to assign the file. Browse to and select the CSV file we created, and click Open to assign the table. The CSV file is assigned. Click Close to return to the main workspace. Now let's run the placement. Select Run XAI. When placement finishes, select the Download button in the XAI panel to view the results. View the capacitor placement around U4. Each pin defined in the table has a decoupling capacitor placed in an optimal location. Quickly and easily define component associations to improve AI-generated component placement with Allegro X AI and OrCADX. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.